Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any toy into a festive Christmas ornament, perfect for your tree or as a part of your table decor. All you need is a simple crochet scarf to give it that holiday touch. For this demonstration, I'll be using a chick as an example. Chickens are quite popular right now, and adding a little scarf makes this one look so festive. This idea works with almost any small toy. For example, I also have this cute little capybara, and it would look just as adorable with a scarf. So grab your materials and let's get started. Materials needed: thin yarn or thread. I'm using size 0 thread, a crochet hook. Step 1. Starting the scarf. First, we'll make a magic ring. Start by making a slip knot, and then crochet 5 single crochets into the ring.
In our backyard, chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long. Color pops amidst the green, prettiest sight you've ever seen. From dawn to dusk, they bring delight. With every chirp, they take flight. Little eyes, a gleaming light, they turn the gray to purest white.
Pull the ring tight to close it. Now, we'll move on to the next round. Crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch from the previous round. This is where we start working in spirals, which means we'll keep crocheting continuously without joining rounds. Repeat this process until your piece measures about 1 inch long. That should be about 6 rounds in total. Step 2. Adding the red stripe. Next, let's add a red stripe. Begin your next stitch with the white yarn, but stop halfway through. Switch to the red yarn and finish the stitch with the red. To secure the red yarn, crochet over the tail as you work. Continue crocheting with the red yarn for 6 rounds, or until you're happy with the width of the stripe. If the tail gets in the way, trim it after it's secured.
Chirps and songs, whole flocks waiting all day long. Color pops amidst the green, prettiest sight you've ever seen. We love chicks, they're everywhere you see. On the tree they perch so free. In our hearts, they always stay, bringing joy in their own way. Christmas time they gather close, feathers soft as a winter's ghost. Golden beaks at tiny feet, in each heart a steady beat. Christmas chicks are forever loved.
Alternate between red and white to create as many stripes as you'd like. This gives the scarf its classic Christmas look. For my chick, I made the scarf about 8 inches long in total, but feel free to adjust the length depending on the size of your toy. Step 4. Finishing the scarf. When the scarf is long enough, it's time to close it off. Use a tapestry needle to thread the tail of your yarn through the front loops of the last row. Pull it tight to close the end of the scarf and secure it with a few extra stitches. Make sure to hide the tail by weaving it into the white section, so it's not visible. Then, trim any excess yarn. You can hang the toy on your Christmas tree as a cute ornament or place it on a table for decoration. If your toy has a basket, you can use that to prop it up on a tree branch. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful Christmas.